Birds can be a messy pet to have, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I built this conveyor belt to collect their seeds and litter. I drew out a layout of how I wanted to build this escape. I used some MDF wood and some pegs to make a roller system to collect the litter and seeds that fall off of the cage. This is the Fusion draft. And here I just use Fusion to measure out what I will need before I go ahead and build the project. To spare you all the boringness of watching me build the whole thing, I just went through and just showing you the final product that came out of it. So this is me just putting on the broken part of the cage onto the wooden piece that I built and then placing the cage back on top. And there, that's the final product. That's how it looks. Just to model this, I got some litter and I placed it on the plastic part of it. And you can see it's already been a little bit messy because I've been using it. And using the handle, I turn the conveyor belt, and as you can see, the whole litter goes into the pot. This is a little excessive, but usually by 2 weeks it isn't that full. And using the vacuum extension, I turn on the vacuum, and there it goes all the way in. And there you can see it also got a little stuck because it usually doesn't happen, but this time it was a little excessive. This is by far probably my easiest thing. I just hold it in one spot and just turn the conveyor belt. It usually cleans up pretty nicely. I made this very big hole at the bottom of the cage. I did this because the collection isn't 100% collecting. Some of the droppings do fall, so I made this little tiny hole in the side of the cage that I can place this extension through. And it does a pretty fair job. I usually only have to clean the cage once every 2 weeks. That's the bird. And I feed them some grass weekly. He ran away, but that's okay, he usually eats it. And my bird is annoyingly loud. Pichu.